Disama No.2 area, falling under Lumbajong constituency, comprises of nearly 20 villages. Every village under Disama No.2 is deprived from good transportable road since its establishment in the year 1942 during the British colonial regime. Karbi Anglong District Council was founded in the year 1951, and since then many governments had come to power and gone. But no matter whoever party comes to power, the negligence from the government towards the people of Disama No.2 region remained constant. 71 years had completed since the formation of Karbi Anglong District Council, yet the people of Disama No.2 had never enjoyed the facility of good roads in the region. The ruling government, whether it is the center, state or the council, consistently boasts to eradicate corruption in the country by chanting the slogans "Na khaunga, na khane dunga," "Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas," "Sabka Prayas, Sabka Viswas" in public meetings and rallies. Likewise, Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, is also known by the face of peace and development. But along the National Highway 36, a road connecting Hidimteron village, Manja to Sikari Hanse Sarmen Hanse village, Disama No.2 region, covering a distance of nearly 10 kilometers, is a lifeline to more than 20 villages and is outlined from the wave of development by BJP's government. It was reported that the villagers are using the hand-curved road built when Sarthai Singh Terang was the elected member of District Council from Lumbajong constituency. And due to the extreme old and vulnerable road conditions, the villagers could not get out of this complication till today. Villagers need to travel through this extreme old and vulnerable road for 10 kilometers from their villages for school, college, medical checkups, and to get their basic essentials. But during monsoon seasons, the complications of road gives an additional burden to the villagers of Disama No.2 region. Hetsing Inghi, village headman of Sarthai Inghi village, appeals the concerned department and the chief executive member of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to kindly build a suitable road for the convenience of the people. Bijoy Rongpi's report from Dilai, Karbi Anglong Live.